Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau, and I'm here with Brenda from the Aberdeen Community Concert Association, and you guys have a really special event coming up on Sunday.
We do. Well, Sunday, December 4th at 3 p.m., the Medora Christmas Tour is coming. It's the Christmas Memories Tour. It's the former and current performers with the Medora show, and they will be coming here to Aberdeen to bring a wonderful Christmas show for us. So
awesome. And so is it going to be like, because the Medora musical is very like country, is it kind of that country Christmas feel with the show?
a little bit,
Yeah.
a little bit. But the songs that they will sing will be the traditional classic Christmas songs, and then some new ones too as well. They'll play their instruments and sing and perform, and there's some magic. There's a new young person who's coming as a magician. So he did perform at Medora this past year, but he will be traveling with the tour. So, and the Waddington brothers from Western North Dakota are new this year. Some of the people that are coming will be Emily Walter, Queen of the West. She has been performing for many, many years. This is their 6th year of their tour, and it's more intimate than the open-aired concert that they have in Medora. And it's just a very uplifting and joyful experience for everyone who's coming. Tickets are available at Interior Design Concepts, 21 North Main, during their regular business hours. And then they're also available online at our website, www.aberdeencommunityconcerts.org.
We'll have that on the bottom of the screen too. So.
All right, very good. Thank you.
And then, so what do people, this isn't part of like your regular season, right? This is, so if people have season tickets, they need to get a separate ticket for this event.
That is correct. This is a fundraiser for us. This is our 84th year of operation, and so we like to keep our membership fees and tickets, individual tickets, low price. So we do these fundraisers to help us keep those prices low.
Awesome. Anything else people need to know about the Medora Christmas coming up on Sunday?
It's going to be a wonderful experience. Don't miss it.
Yeah. And it's right here at the Johnson Fine Arts Center at Northern State University.
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
On Thursday night from 7 to 9 p.m., Danger Von Dempsey's is hosting a game night. They'll teach a new game called Ticket to Ride, but there'll be other classic board games available as well. You can just show up for that, order some beer, order some pizza, and have a fun night out at Dempsey's on Thursday. All right, and that Medora Christmas isn't the only holiday-themed event going on this weekend. There's also another open house at the James Valley Model Railroad. You can check that out on Saturday from 11 a.m. until 5 p.m. And that's really neat. I talked about it a little bit last week, but it's just such a cool thing they do down there. It's always changing, so if you visited last year, make sure you get a chance to visit again this year. On December 3rd, on Saturday, the North Area Honor Band will be right here at the Johnson Fine Arts Center. That concert starts at 4 p.m. And if you have any events, whether they're holiday events or just regular events going on, definitely make sure to submit them to AberdeenAreaEvents.com. There's a big orange button on the page you'll be able to submit your events to right there. All right, everyone, I've been Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau. Let's go out there and have an amazing weekend. It sounds like we're gonna have some nice weather, and it's just a great way to kick off the holiday season here in Aberdeen.